for today's video, we are going to do is we're gonna do another science experiment. So as you can see here, we all have the materials. So we have pure milk,
And we have
three food coloring
and some soap.
It's dishwasher.
And we have the milk over here.
And Q-tips, and we have a bowl.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
We are making a rainbow. It's taking so long. And we are waiting time. We are waiting 20 minutes to be rainbow, and it's just like each other and the
Ang kapira naman yan.
water. I think it's be rainbow. What?
Oh my god, it's been 5 minutes. It's taking so long. How about we're gonna make another rainbow experiment? What do you
Yeah.
guys think?